Why I respect nature? Nature is a gift to all of us. It includes trees, animals, rivers, mountains, and everything that surrounds us. I respect nature because it provides us with everything we need to live, like clean air, water, and food. Trees are very important because they give us fruits, shade, and oxygen. Without trees, we cannot survive. Animals and birds make nature lively and add beauty to the earth. Rivers, lakes, and oceans give us water to drink, wash, and play. We are home to many fish and other creatures. Nature teaches us how to live peacefully. For example, the way trees, animals, and rivers work together shows us the importance of balance. Flowers make the world colorful and brings us joy. If we harm nature by cutting trees or polluting water, it can harm everyone, including humans, animals, and plants. That's why we must respect nature by planting more trees, saving water, and keeping our surroundings clean. By respecting nature, we are protecting our planet and making it a better place of ourselves and future generations.